Hello guys, welcome another new video. I hope you are all well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in Australian dollar versus US dollar. I am applying trade first because market is stuck in right place. Guys, $80 to $90 loss going on here. This is our account of $2,471. We applied buying trade here because the market is forming a reverse pattern. So the market can go up here. The strong trend of the market is the downtrend. Let me explain to you the reason of buying. We'll draw the trend line up here. Market is currently following this trend line. We will also follow this trend line. Connect the second trend line with the same angle to the lower low point. Here we are seeing proper lower low lower high point where we have applied trade. Lower low has also been created. The market always reverses. After a new lower low here we draw the rectangle level from which we will know the exact support resistance points. The market has reversed here because this level has remained a strong level in the past. Here you can see multiple support resistance level. That's why we applied buying trade here, because a good buying opportunity has been created here. Here you can see the support resistance points at all these levels, which the market was creating again and again. We have seen reversals whenever the market has come near this level. Even further, we are getting to see multiple support resistance points, where the market takes resistance first, then breaks it and makes it support. What all these points suggest is that this level is a very strong level, because the market has been following this level for a long time. High probability chance the market will go up from here because the market is respect very well to our setup. Here we can see a good move to the upside. I will draw another level here where our target point will be. Market can reverse from this level. Why have we seen resistance here before? Along with resistance, there is also a trend line which will act as resistance. The market will definitely react at this level. My target point here would be 27 pips up where our second rectangle is level. The market should go as far as we have analyzed. Let's set it up in the trading system. Guys, our losses have extended from $90 to around $110. We wonder how much we can grow this account. Now we wait for the market to go up. We will close the trade if the market breaks the lower rectangle level. We have corrected our analysis. Now we will see whether the market respect our setup or not. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce.
Finally guys, after a long wait, our target is about to be hit. The market respected our setup so that we could reach our target. Here the spring went up after a lot of sideways. That's why we had to wait so long. Here we took a very simple approach as the market had moved far away from the trend line. That's why the market had to move around the trend line. Guys, our target is hit with this. Our goal has also been achieved. If we see more opportunities here, we will definitely trade. Let's close the trade now. Our target is met. Here our profit is running around $2,127. If you want to manage trade, then you need to take risk management. See you in a while.
Always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over.
Guys, our account was of $2,771, which has been increased to $4,640. We will grow it more where good opportunity will be seen. The market has gone up. After a while we can see a reversal candle here. Once the market will definitely take resistance there, we will apply selling trade. If the market doesn't take resistance here, there could be a trendline breakout where again the opportunity of buying will be created. From here the market can go down taking resistance. Let's see what pattern the market forms after some time. We will react accordingly. Let's wait now. Guys, the market has started to reverse from where we closed the trade. Here we will apply sell trade because the market is in a strong downtrend. Here I am increasing the lot size according to my risk. You should also know your risk before taking a trade so that you don't feel sad after loss.
Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist, stay modest.
Guys, we are running loss now, but we will try to convert it into profit. Our entry here is at the right time. According to the analysis, the market should go down. The market is currently following our setup. let me tell you the next target point. My target point here would be 25 pips down and will be above the strong support resistance level, because market can reverse by taking support here. Guys, there is a loss of $143 here. Hope we will see profit here also. We'll stick to our setup until our setup is failed. All our work is complete, now we have to wait for the next move. Let's see what result the market gives us here. We have tried our best to do the correct analysis. Guys, meet after profit or loss.
To the top, I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's
someone
go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so let's crush anything that's trying me. Me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into. I got nothing to
Perfect move, guys. The market has once again respected our setup. We got to see a good move here. We analyzed only price action. We got good result. Our target is about to be hit here. We have also got to see the impact downside of the news, by which our goal is being achieved quickly. Now we wait for the target to be hit.
15 minutes later.
Guys, our target is hit here. We have applied our rules properly. You can also trade with such analysis. Always trade with simple analysis. Guys, our profit is running around $3,397. We grow this account with risk management. I hope you enjoy the video. You can only do one like for this video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.